Okay, so let's take a look at the brand new range of scissors by Pfaff. So one of the new features that are available on all of the Pfaff range of scissors is they've now all got a titanium coating on the blades for more endurance and the actual longevity of the blades themselves. They're going to stay sharper for longer. And the other thing as well is that they're all produced with a German forged steel, which will actually reinforce all the blades and give them a bit more strength and body.
Okay, so first up we have the 8-inch bench trimmers by Pfaff, finished with that black titanium coating we mentioned before, helping it to stay sharper for longer, not to mention the fact that the blade also comes with a corrosion-resistant alloy itself. They earn their name as the bench trimmer for their easy access to hard-to-reach areas and to make cutting fabric an awful lot easier. And they have a really good weight to them as well, so are perfect for cutting all sorts of fabrics. Okay, so next up we have the 6-inch double curved embroidery scissors. These once again have the black titanium coating to stay sharper for longer. As you can see, they've got a double curved design that allows access really inside that embroidery hoop. So perfect for machine embroidery, quilting and even sewing. They've got a really nice mechanism to give a clean cutting, precision honed stainless steel blade edge. So when you're actually cutting, it just gives you that precise finish. Okay, so we've got the 6-inch DUCKBILL applique scissors. The micro serrated blade will actually hold your fabric in place with no pushing and no snagging, giving you a clean and accurate cut on all of your applique cutting. Also giving you the ability to work through multiple layers of fabric and really get into those hard to reach areas, once again with the black titanium coating to give your blades a lot more longevity. Okay, so next up we have the 4.5-inch Easy Snip scissors. These are fantastic for snipping stitches and thread tails without poking big holes on your fabric. So ideal for needlework, embroidery and machine sewing. They have an ergonomic design, so they allow for a fatigue-free use, and they've got really easy squeeze spring action handles as well. You'll also see the end of the tip is really sharp and easily fits under your presser foot. Okay, so we have the 4-inch micro tip embroidery scissors. These micro tips are perfect. They're hard to reach thread snipping that sometimes just needs to be done. It also allows for intricate work on embroidery designs, and it has a clean cutting, precision honed stainless steel blade to really get right to the tip. You'll also notice that it's got fatigue free shearing ergonomic design and also that black titanium coating. Okay, so we have the 6-inch precision applique scissors. These are for precision cutting and trimming. They feature a clean straight blade with a sharp pointed tip. They have easy access to hard to reach areas, for example in a hoop. That micro tip blade will allow for intricate embroidery design cutting, and once again the clean cutting precision honed stainless steel blade edge gives a really sharp finish. Okay, next up we have the safety stiletto. This stiletto will help keep your seams accurate when your fingers won't let you. You can use it as a guide under the foot of your sewing machine, and it's really helpful for turning applique edges and much more. You'll notice that it has a compact storage for the actual point with a power lock screw design, and you can get really close thread cutting with the compact blade tip as well. So really nice stiletto. Okay, so next up we have the 3.5-inch curved embroidery scissors. These give another level of precision. They've got an extra fine curved micro tip blade for intricate embroidery designs in really tight spaces. And once again, they've got a clean cutting, precision honed stainless steel blade for a really precise cut, as well as a really nice ergonomically designed handle to really help you with your hand fatigue. Okay, so we have the 3.5-inch micro tip embroidery scissors, very similar to the ones before, but that micro tip really does just allow for you to cut all the way up to the edge with complete control. Once again, the micro tip itself gives to the intricate embroidery designs and allows for really clean cutting precision right up to the edge of the blade. Okay, last but not least, we have the Precision Opposable curved tweezers. Now, these are my absolute favourite. I use these in my toolbox every day. They're ideal for threading needles and machines. They have an easy operation, so you squeeze to open, release to close, and they've got a really long life precision match tips, which does make a huge difference to any I've used before.